Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing for more interesting videos. In this video, we are going to look at how we can prove that sec squared theta is equal to cosec theta over cosec theta minus sine theta. This is an interesting problem, but it looks simple, but it's kind of tricky. But the way we are going to approach it is, again, we are going to move from the left hand side towards the right hand side. So when we look at sec squared, the first thing that may come to your mind is looking at the identities that connect sec squared and maybe tan squared, but that's an option. And also another idea would be looking at sec squared in terms of cos squared. Okay, so the easiest way to proving this expression is by looking at sec in terms of cos. So we are going to say that sec squared of theta is the same as 1 over cos squared theta. So when we get here, we realize that in the expression of interest, down in the denominator, there are two functions, and one is sine and another one is cosec. But again, when we look at cosec, we can think about it in terms of sine, because cosec is 1 over sine. So what gives us an idea then that, okay, so we know that this is cos squared theta, and we can express cos squared theta in terms of sine squared. So which basically means that I can expand this again one more time and substitute with 1 minus sine squared of theta. Remember that sine squared of theta plus cos squared of theta is equal to 1. So we can make use of this identity and substitute for cos squared theta with 1 minus sine squared theta. So when we get here, then we realize that in what we want to prove, there's cosec, and here we have already our sine squared, but then we, in the what we are interested in, it's only just sine theta. So then that gives us an idea that from this expression, let's divide throughout by sine theta. So that means in the numerator, we are going to have 1 over sine of theta, and then over 1 here divided by sine of theta, and then minus this is sine squared theta divided by sine of theta. So when we get here, I think now you can see that it's straightforward. You just need to recall that cosec of theta is the same as 1 over sine of theta, so which basically means that the upper part here becomes cosec of theta, then everything over 1 over sine theta is cosec of theta, then minus 1 sine here cancels with 1 sine, and so will remain with one side. And so this means that sec squared of theta is equal to cosec of theta, everything over cosec of theta minus sine of theta. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment, and also watch other videos related to this one.